Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change a flight on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to change a flight on Flair Airlines using the Flair Airlines web app. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Once you're logged in, on the home page, go ahead and click on My Bookings, and that's going to take you to a window where you see all your bookings listed and organized. But in case you don't find your booking automatically, then you can enter the details manually by entering your booking reference number or the reservation number and your last name or your surname, and then click on Find My Trip button to access your flight details. So once your booking details are displayed, confirm the flight you wish to change and look for the change flight option or link in the booking details page. So click on change flight. You'll be prompted to enter new travel details, including new departure date, new destination if applicable, and preferred flight times. Then the system will display available flights that match your new travel preferences. Review the flight options, including departure times and any fare differences. Choose the new flight that best fits your schedule. Review any additional fees associated with flight change. After selecting your new flight, confirm the change by clicking on the Confirm Change or similar button. If there are additional fees, you'll be prompted to enter your new payment information. Fill in the required payment details and confirm the transaction if there is a fare difference or change fee. After payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation of your new flight details. Then, return to the My Booking section. I hope you can remember how we got here to verify that your flight change has been applied. Ensure all details are correct before your flight. Now, changes in your flight may be subject to Flair Airlines policies, including change fees and fare differences. It's advisable to check the airline's terms regarding flight changes, especially if you have a basic fare, which may have restrictions. Now, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, consider contacting Flair Airlines customer support. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.